Hello boys and girls, Miss Chapple here. Today we are going to work on math equations where the start is unknown. Notice that I am representing the unknown with a box. Usually you will see unknown represented that way, although sometimes you may see them represented with a question mark. The equation reads, unknown, take away 15 is the same as 73. Let's talk about the symbols used in this equation. We have our unknown box. We have this symbol here, which is known as the subtraction symbol or minus. We have the equal sign. And remember, boys and girls, equals means the same as, which is why I read this as unknown take away 15 is the same as 73. So boys and girls, remember that when we have that equal sign, that means that both sides of the equation have to be the same. So this missing number, when 15 is taken out of it, is the same as 73. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, Miss Chapple, I need to use that subtraction sign, and I need to go 73 minus 15. Boys and girls, that would not be correct. If you did that, then you would be taking a chunk out of 73, and that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to figure out the original number. 73 is just a part of that number. So when you take 73 and 15 and you put it together, you're going to find that missing part. So we have to take 73 and we actually have to add it to 15 in order to find the original number. So boys and girls, to do this, I'm going to use expanded form. Remember that when we use expanded form, we're taking the hundreds, tens, and ones, and we're pulling them apart. This is just a double-digit number, so I'm only working with tens and ones. So 73 in expanded form is the same as 70 plus 3. 15 in expanded form is the same as 10 plus 5. So now, boys and girls, what I'm going to do is take my 10 and put them together, and take my 1s and put them together. 5 and 3 is 8. 70 and 10 more is 80. So now I have 80 and 8. So I must put them back together. And I have 88. So boys and girls, that means that our missing quantity is in fact 88. So boys and girls, I'm sure that you're used to your teacher saying to you, did you double check your answer? Can you solve it a different way? And that's what we're now going to do. We're going to take this work and we're going to solve it a different way, therefore double checking our answer. And to solve this, I'm actually going to solve it the way it's written. So I'm going to start with 88, I'm going to take 15 away, and if I end up with 73, then I know that I was correct. So I'm going to do this by using sticker notation. So 88 is sticker notation. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now I need the 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 88. So now we're going to take 15 out of there and we're going to see if we end up with 73. And again, if we do end up with 73, boys and girls, that means that we solved this correctly. So 15 is 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 is just 1 10. So 10. Let's see what we're left with. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3. I have 70 and I have 3. When put back together, we have 73. So I had 88, I took away 15, and I was left with 73. How about that? 88 take away 15 is the same as 73. So we solved the problem using expanded form. Then we tested it with sticker notation, and boys and girls, we got it correct. Now, let's try another problem. This time the start will be unknown, but instead of seeing that subtraction sign, you're actually going to see an addition sign. So I'm going to erase my board. And let's go ahead and try something new. Once again, the start will be unknown. However, this time, we are going to be combining. So I'm going to use that plus sign. Unknown plus 23 is the same as 97. All right, so let's talk about this. In the first example, we had a subtraction symbol. And I told you that in order to find that unknown, we had to actually add the numbers together. Do you think that's going to be the same case with this? No, boys and girls. We do not want to add the numbers together this time. If we were to do that, if we were to take these two numbers and add them together, we would end up with an even bigger number. And if I take that bigger number and I put it in the unknown box, if I were to add 23 to that bigger number, boys and girls, it's going to end up being bigger yet. So we do not want to add these numbers together. Remember when I said with the first problem, this has to be the same. So whatever this is also has to be 97, because that equal sign means the same as. So we have this 23. Something is missing from it in order for it to become 97. When you subtract, you're taking a number apart. And boys and girls, that's what we have to do here. We have to take 97 apart in order to find that starting number. So we're actually going to take 97 and we're going to take 23 out of it. So once again, I am going to start with expanded form. So 97 is the same as 90 and 7. 23 is the same as 20 and 3. This time, boys and girls, we have to subtract. If I have 7 and I take 3 out of it, I am left with 4. If I have 90 and I take 20 out of it, remember 90 is 9 10, 20 is 2 10. So 9 10 minus 2 10 is 7 10. Then we just need to put this back together. 70 and 4 is 74. So our missing unknown start is 74. I want to check my answer, and I'm going to do that with sticker notation again, boys and girls. So I'm going to actually draw out 74, then I'm going to draw 23 more, and we're going to see if we end up with 97. If we do end up with 97, then we know that we were correct. So 74, 7 10 4 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74. 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. When combining the ones, I have 4, 5, 6, 7. When combining the tens, I have 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, which is 90. 90 plus the 7 gives us 97. So 74 and 23 does give us 97. So boys and girls, this equation is correct. And we used two separate strategies. One to solve the original problem, and the second one to double check our work. So boys and girls, I hope this helps you better understand how to solve problems with an unknown start. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.